Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am so happy, so excited because guess what? I actually made it back to CVS this week. So yay! Usually I always forget to go back and I miss out on some deals. But this week I worked my way back. Before I start this video, I just wanted to let everybody know I hope everyone is doing safe and staying safe and taking the proper precautions. Currently I am in a county where we have no curfew or no, it's not shut down yet, so we're still kind of free to do our thing, and I am an essential employee, so I frequently have to go out to go to work, so I end up just stopping at the stores so I can still do my deals and of course get all my necessities. So I do take all the proper precautions, but I don't want anybody to feel like this video is to encourage you to go out, to force yourselves to go out. If you do not feel safe, please don't go. If you're under order, please don't go. These deals can always wait, and these deals will eventually come back around like they always do. So that being said, if you can't go out, just kind of use this as an education purpose, just to help with future deals and kind of see what you can do and what you can learn from. So when you are able to go back out again, you have an idea of what you can work with. But also keep in mind, I am still kind of a new couponer, so I still make mistakes and do mess ups. So of course I have this channel, even though I'm a new couponer, it's to kind of learn with people and to grow with people, and to just even repeating my deals and repeating, like letting you guys know what I did. When I repeat it back to myself, I kind of realize my mistakes and stuff as I go along. So with that being said, I did 2 transactions today. This is the first transaction, and oh my goodness, this transaction is amazing. If you could do it, I highly encourage you. So with the Colgate and the Crest, I kind of put the deals together because of my CRTs. So for the Crest, I had a $2 off of 8 Crest mouthwash, toothpaste, CRT, and then I also had a $3 off of 12. Was it 12? Yeah, $3 off of 12 any oral care CRT. So I used those CRTs together. I was able to because I had to have my total over 20 bucks. So because I had to reach $12 for one CRT, and then I had to reach $8 for the other Crest CRT. So my total had to be more than $20. So that's why I was able to use them together. So the Crest are on sale for $4.99. So when you buy 2, it's going to be $9.98, which is over the $8 for the Crest CRT that I used. And then the Colgate is priced at $3.49, and so I bought 3. They are $10.47. So the deal this week, the deal with the Crest is, as you can see here, it's priced at $4.99. And come on, focus. It wants to focus. I'm sorry. All right. So there it is, priced at $4.99. We have a $1 off manufacturer coupon that just came in our Sunday paper. It's from the PG. It's April P&G. So it brings it down to $3.99, plus you get $2 back when you buy 1. This is a limit of 2. So because I bought 2, I got a total of $4 back. But before we go there, and then the Colgate is on sale for $3.49, and when you buy 1, you get $2 back, a limit of 3. The reason why I bought 3 Colgate instead of just doing 2 for the deal is because we had a $5 off of 3 Colgate, so which is a really good high value coupon. I will say be careful with that coupon because it doesn't attach to everything that's included in this deal. Like if you see the ad, the Optic White is included. I didn't try it on the Max. Honestly, I did not try it, but I did try it on the Optic White, and I tried it on a few other toothpaste, Colgate toothpaste, and the coupon didn't attach to them. So it did attach to the Total Advanced Whitening, which is this one. I'll bring it up so you can see it good. The coupon did attach to this. So you want to be careful when you do this deal with the Colgate to make sure the right coupon's attached to the product that you're grabbing. Anyways, so the Colgate and the Crest altogether was $20.45. I had $1 off Crest coupon. I had 2 of those coupons I used. I had the $5 off of 3 Colgate coupon. That's on the digital app. Should have said that earlier. But yeah, that coupon is the $5 off of 3 Colgate is on the digital app. And then I also had the $2 Crest CRT, so it's 2 off of 8 Crest CRT, and then the 3 off of 10 or 3 off of 12 Oral Care CRT. So that brought my price all the way down to $8.45, and I got a total of $8 back because I got $2 for each crest, and then I got $2 for 2 of the Colgate. So that brought it back. That brought it all the way to $8. Did I say that right? Yes. So I got a total of $4 back from the Colgate and $4 from the crests. So that made my final cost only 45 cents, or, oh my goodness, for all 5 products, it's 9 cents each. What? Yeah, I know. I was in shock, honestly, when I just did the math right now, because I didn't really do it in the store. But yeah, 9 cents for all of this. Amazing. And the Colgate will be donated. I actually don't use Colgate in this household because for some reason there's picky people here and they only do Crest. So the Colgate will get donated, and probably one of the Crest mouthwash will also get donated because I think I have a pretty good stock up of Crest. But yeah, that is the first transaction that I did, and let's move on to the second. Alright, I wish something could yell at me and be like, wait, show them the receipt first, because I always forget to take out the receipt. So here's the receipt for the first transaction before we move on to the second. The Scope, I picked up 2 of the Scope mouthwash and the 3 Colgate items. So here's all the coupons I used. Like I said, I used 2 of the $1 off Crest mouthwash, one $5 off of 3 Colgate, that's on my digital app. I used a 3 off of 12 Oral Care and the 2 off of 8 Crest Scope CRT. And then I rolled I actually rolled $8 and extra bucks. So like I said previously, the total was $8.45. I rolled $8, so my subtotal was only 45 cents. Heck yeah. And then I literally paid only 45 cents and got the $8 bucks I used on this deal. I got it right back. So as you can see, I saved 98%. So yeah, guys, really good deal. So come on, focus. There we go. Okay, so before we go on to the main deal, wait, I was so close to finishing this video without her interrupting. I love you, little baby girl. All right, mom life, guys, mom life. It never fails. My little princess is right next to me, my sweet baby girl. She's not in the best mood. She learned today that kitty cats don't like being messed with. So I am honestly working and teaching her how to care for the cat, kind of how to behave around the cat, take care of the cat, not try pulling the cat's tail, all that, you know, all that stuff that kids do. But she's only 3 years old, so it's a work in progress. But I think today, after the cat, kind of, because the cat's very calm. Rowdy is a very calm cat. I think he had kind of enough, and he showed her, you know what, you're gonna mess with me, I'm gonna mess with you back. So I think she learned a little bit. So kind of happy for that, but I want to keep working and have her be friendly to the cat so he can feel comfortable in his new home. Definitely. All right, so rambling off, that's our current situation right now. So I'm sorry for the background noise again. I tried so hard to film this before anyways, let's stop rambling. Anyway, so before I show you the main deal, I picked up this Nivea beautiful body wash. Guys, guess. All right, baby. Guess how much I picked up this body wash for? Un peso. Yes, $1. So the deal is these are on sale. Maybe they're on sale. Maybe that's always the regular price. I don't really know because I never really looked at it before. But it's $7, and everyone at the Redbox machine is getting printed off a $3 off instant coupon. So I used that $3 off instant coupon. I also had a $1 off manufacturer coupon that I don't remember what insert I got it in, but I will leave it in the Google Docs down below. And I also had a $2 off of 6 body wash CRT. So that was a total of $6 in saving, which brought this big chunk of body wash to only $1. I'm really happy and excited about that. But more importantly, boom, the main deal, the cash card deal. Spring cash card deal. I did a all feminine deal. Really happy about this because I honestly feel it's like one of the lowest out-of-pocket deals that you can do for the spend $30 get $10 spring cash card. Honestly, one of the lowest deals. Let me go ahead and share it with you. So right here in the ad, you can see the Spring Cash Card deal. It includes the Tampax and the Always pads. I apologize for my phone. I don't know why it doesn't want to focus today too good. So Tampax and Always are both $2 or 2 for $8. And we had a $3 off coupon that we got in our PG insert, our April PNG. So it's $3 off coupon, manufacturer coupon for Tampax, and there's also a $3 off manufacturer coupon for the Always. Plus, and the main reason too why I wanted to do this deal is because I had a $2 off 16 feminine product CRT. So it was off. It was $2 off of 16 tampons, pads, liners. So I went ahead and picked up 2 of the Tampax, 2 of the Always. That totaled me to $16, and then I used both the $3 off Always and the $3 off Tampax. Tampax. All right, sorry about that, guys. Mommy duty calls. So I'm not 100% sure where I left off at, so I'll probably be repeating myself. Sorry. So anyways, I picked up 2 of the Tampax, and I also picked up 2 of the Always. Again, they're 2 for $8, so that's a total of $16 on the feminine care. And then for the Pantene, the one I picked up is a 3 off of 15. So with the Pantene, there's you can get the smaller bottles of Pantene, which is 3 for $12. I opted for the 3 off of 15 one, just because there was a specific CRT I wanted to use with it. So as you can see, there's that. Sorry. So yeah, it was 3 off of 15. So the deal, what I did here, so all these items in total was $31. Again, I used a $3 off Tampax manufacturer coupon. I used a $3 off Always manufacturer coupon. I used a $3 off Pantene manufacturer coupon. I also paired it with a $2 off 16 Feminine Care CRT and a $4 off of Pantene, $4 off of $14 Pantene Hair Care CRT. So all those coupon savings brought my total all the way down to $16, and then you get back $10, making my final cost $6 or 85 cents each. 85 cents, guys, for some feminine products. Done. I'm done. Alright, so yep, really good feminine care deal going on here. So with the Pantene, unfortunately I didn't actually get the ones that I wanted. They were all out. Like it was very scarce. I had to get 1 conditioner and 2 shampoos. I usually always just get all conditioners because certain shampoos don't work for me. I have long curly hair, if you haven't noticed, and one thing about curly hair, it's constantly always dry. So I don't know if I'm actually going to be able to use this because I always go for like a sulfate free kind of thing. But I don't know, I was reading the back of it and it said it was silicone free and all that. I'm trying to let you guys see it, see if you were interested in it. But where did I read it at? Now I don't see where it said it was silicone free. Great. Anyway, so yeah, I could have sworn it said it was silicone free somewhere. Maybe I'm just, I don't know. Oh yeah, right. Wow, right in the beginning, the silicone free sheer volume formula. So yeah, it was very scarce. It's very scarce times right now. Anywho, here is my receipt. So here's the Pantene, all 3 Pantenes that I grabbed, the Always and the Tampax. So funny thing, not really funny, I didn't notice this in the register, but the cashier actually rang me up 3 times for Tampax. I only picked up 2 Tampax because you know they're 2 for $8. But I just noticed yesterday when I got back home that she actually rang me up for a 3rd Tampax, which made sense of why my subtotal is more than what it should be. And we were trying to figure that out at store, but I didn't. I told her I knew it should have been a little less, but she thought it was because of coupon. I obviously knew it wasn't. but I couldn't really figure it out. But now I realize it's because I was rung up, the Tampax, she rung it up 3 times instead of only 2. But anyways, what I'll try to do is call CVS and see if I can get the $30 back, because it looks like I was I'm over by $3 with how I calculated it. So hopefully I can get it back. I don't know. I'll try calling CVS later and see what they can do for me. But here are all the coupons that I used. Boom, boom, boom. The 4 off of 14, 3 off of Select Nivea, 2 off of 6 body wash, 50 cents off always. I didn't mean for that coupon to come off. That's actually, let's talk about that one in a second, but hold on. We'll rewind back to that one. So yeah, this is all the coupons that I used. My subtotal was $5.50. It should have been $3 less. So it should have been only $2.50. Yeah, it should have only been $2.50 by my calculations. Is that? I believe so. Yeah, I'm pretty sure it should have only been $2.50. But again, I don't know that the third Tampax ringing up kind of screwed everything up. But still, my subtotal was only $6.80. And I did get back the $10 cash card. And now I also will be hitting beauty because everything that I grabbed and everything that I grabbed in my first haul. So I should be hitting beauty and I'll get an extra $3 back. So like I said before, all my extra bucks, this deal was $16. And then I did roll $14 in extra buck. So yeah, that's why I knew I should have only paid $3 out of pocket plus tax. But again, it was a little more expensive, but again, I see now why. That's a whole other issue. But if your cashier doesn't ring something up more times than they're supposed to, you'll be paying only $16, literally on the dot, only $16, and then you'll get back $10 from the cash card. So this 50-cent off always coupon that you can see here, if my phone would just focus. I don't know what's wrong with it today. Doesn't want to focus too good. So which I guess is kind of a good thing that she actually rung me up 3 times, because if she had rung me up correctly with the 2 Tampax and the 2 always, it would have been $16 exactly would have been my total. So that 50-cent off coupon was, or 50-cent off CRT off the always, it was a 50-cent off always was attached to my digital app. I have issues when something like that is attached to my digital app. It would have brought in my total down. It would have been $16 for tampons. With the 50 cents off, it would have brought it down to $15.50. And then the $2 off of 16 CRT wouldn't have worked because I'm 50 cents less. I know some stores, and it seems like almost every single store does that 90% rule, or like 98% rule, something like that, where they'll let it slide. I don't know why, but none of the stores I go to do that rule. And I'm like, literally every other YouTuber or couponer I see, they have that CVS where they push that rule through and it's okay. My CVS, of course, never does. So that 50 cents off coupon would have cost me if she had rung up the Tampax correctly. Actually, no. Yeah. That 50 cents off coupon would have cost me because it would have made my tampon Paz liner deal less than 16. So again, I guess kind of good that she rung it up 3 times, just because it did let me use a 2 off of, if I can find it, the 2 off of 16. It did go through just because there was more rung up than it was supposed to. I don't know if this makes any sense, guys. I really don't know. But anyways, yeah, that's pretty much confusing. Anyways, if you have any questions about that, let me know in the comments down below and I'll try to clarify that a little better. But yeah, guys, that is my haul. That is my CVS trip. Second trip of the week. I won't be going back. At least I hope I don't. If you haven't checked out my first video, I highly recommend you checking it out, because we got free Aveeno and free plus a moneymaker on makeup cosmetics. So that's a really awesome haul I did. I hope you guys can check it out. I'll go ahead and link it in the description box below. So thank you guys so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, give this video a like, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.